advanced knowledge. Okay, now we are going to see the first few things that we need to do when we get our Poco F3. Okay, so we have our Poco F3 here. Okay, I've just fully charged it. Okay, now let's do the first few things that we need to do. Okay, first we have to go to settings. Okay, and set up our phone. Okay, first you look at about phone. There's an update. Okay, you can see I have the 256 GB 8 GB RAM model here. Okay, and then there's a system updater. There's a lot to update. We'll go back to that later. And then you go to security status. You can see find my device, and it's in off. Okay, next is SIM cards and mobile networks. Okay, I've already set it up. Next is Wi-Fi. I already set it up. Bluetooth is already on. Connection and sharing. What is this? Okay, we have a portable hotspot and all the stuff here. Okay, nothing much to do. Okay, now always on display. So we're going to turn it on. Okay, let's see how we want it to be. So usually I'll go with the time and date. Okay, maybe this one. Battery, and it shows notification. So I'll go with this. Items display. Okay, change time. Okay, so on that, when notifications. Okay, so there's a animation for the notifications. I think it'll just go a rhythm. Okay, raise to wake should be on. Double tap to wake and off your screen. Okay, lock screen clock format. Well, I always like it in the middle. Okay, this is nice. Or this, maybe. Yep, this is okay. Double press the volume down button to launch a camera. So you're on this. Okay, so next is the display. Okay, I prefer dark mode. Okay, this saves the battery. More. Okay, more dark mode options. Okay, what's this? Okay, that's no big deal. You can change, and I think everything is on. Okay, reading mode on this. Okay, and I prefer paper because it's warmer colors and add paper texture. Okay, color scheme automated. Okay, let's go for adaptive colors. I think I love this. Okay, refresh rate. Okay, so in the preset it comes with 60 Hz. Okay, so if you want to go to 120 Hz, you have to select manually. Okay, so I've gone for 120 Hz. Okay, all HDR enhancement. Okay, I want my images to be enhanced. Okay, this off. Text size, full screen mode. Okay, so all this will be in full screen mode. Okay, where's my YouTube? Okay, YouTube is in full screen mode. Okay, auto rotate screen. I prefer to rotate it myself. Okay, that's it. So that's the display, sounds and vibrations. Okay, here you can set your ringtone and all those stuff. Maybe Savannah, Australia. Pikachu. Okay, I think this is a nice looking song. Okay, so you can change all your alarm and your ringtone all in this section. Okay, notification and control center. Okay, so lock screen first. Okay, we don't want too much of a notification lock screen, so I'm going to off everything. System booking.com. Okay, Oh, there's so many. Can see show notification content, don't show. Okay, so I prefer show notification but hide content. Okay, floating notifications, okay, fine. Badges, okay, fine. Okay, we can change all that there. Okay, let's look at home screen. So far I'm going with the default setting, but I'll be showing in my next video about themes. Okay, a sample of themes, but this will be in my next video. Okay, so we have password and security. Okay, so fingerprint unlock, I've already put my pattern password, so I'm going to add my fingerprints. So here will be this. Okay, so I'm not sure I've already added this or not. Okay, let's add more fingers. Okay, fingerprint 3 done. Okay, so I have this. Okay, so far I'm not going to activate app lock and all those stuff. Okay, next, battery, password security, privacy protection. Okay, this is okay. Battery performance. Okay, ultra battery saver. Turn on get 59 hours. Okay, so you don't have to turn that on first. Okay, apps. So you have dual apps. If you have two Facebook and all the stuff, but so far I don't have all that. You can unlock your apps. Okay, additional settings. Full screen display. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so do you want to go with buttons or gestures? So these are the buttons. Okay, but I prefer going with gestures. Okay, let's just learn it up. Okay, learn. Swipe from button quickly, so it teaches you. Okay, swipe from the bottom and pause. Okay, this brings your all your app managers. Okay, swipe from right to the edge. Okay, it brings you back. Swipe from left to the edge to go back. Okay, so that's it. Okay, double check for the gestures. In some scenes such as full screen games and videos, double swipe to take effect. No need. Okay, that's done. Full screen gesture shortcuts. Okay, launch Google Assistant. Okay, take a screenshot. 3 fingers down to take a screenshot. Okay, volume down and power also to take a screenshot. Okay, that's nice. Let's just try it out. Okay. To launch the camera, double press the power button. Okay, I think I'm on this. Double press the volume down button is also to launch the camera. Back tap. Okay, what is this? Double back tap. Okay, I prefer to take a screenshot when I tap the phone behind. Triple back tap. So far I'm not going to use that. Okay, that's it. Gesture shortcut, source quick ball. Okay, there's nothing much there. Clear speaker, play 30 seconds audio to clear the speaker. Okay, that's not important. Accessibility, all feature shortcut to turn from the lock screen. Hold both volume keys. Okay, this is not important. Beautiful for video, for WeChat video calls. Okay, this is all China apps. If you have WeChat, you can on that. Okay, so far I don't have WeChat. Okay, now let's go to, so additional settings done. Digital well-being. Okay, what is this? And parental control. Okay, this one, if you have kids, you can open another guest login lah. Okay, special features. Okay, so you have game turbo here. Okay, this is to play your games. Okay, video toolbox shortcut. Okay, what is this? Left. Display the shortcut at the edge of the screen. Video toolbox. Special effects. So far I have only 2 video apps. Okay, What else we have? Okay, it's done. Special features, floating windows. Okay, opening floating windows. Okay, let's look at this. Press and hold, then pull down the action bar of notification. Just try it. Okay. Moving floating windows is just like that. Okay. Closing. Or just push it up to close the floating window. Press and hold, then pull. Okay, this to make it bigger. Okay. Minimizing floating windows. Okay, how's that? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so you just press and pull the other side. Okay, fine. Here's floating windows, second space. Side doesn't lock in second space. So far, I don't want a second space. Okay, fine. So, me account. Okay, this one I have to register. I'll do it later. Google. Okay, we are already there. Mass knowledge. Please like and subscribe. Okay, accounts. Okay, this is okay. Okay, so here, privacy. Blah, 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 blah. Ads. Okay. Okay, so make sure this is turned off. So apps not to use the advertising ID to build profiles or show personalized ads. So when you turn this on, you will still see ads, but they may not be based on your address. Note, if you clear a cache, you lose your opt-out setting. So when you turn this on, okay, what happens is you usually when we download apps from the Play Store, we'll get some ads. So if you don't want to see those ads, you turn this on so that you don't get those ads. Okay, so usually all these China phones, Poco phones, they support ads. So if you don't want that in the global version, you can turn it off. Okay. Okay, next autofill. Okay, this is all just normal things. So privacy is done. Location, this is normal. Services and feedback. Okay, I'll exit this, is not important. Okay, so far we have done the basic settings for our phone. So you can see now everything is in dark mode. Okay, it's more beautiful this way. Okay, and they've also categorized all your apps in your app launcher: photography, tools, news and reading, shopping, games. So we don't have to do those stuff. So MIUI is now getting improved and improved 2 times. Okay, and you have your Google feed over here, and if you see when you on this 120 hertz refresh rates, okay, you can see the loading is okay, it's quite okay. Supposedly it's supposed to be very fluid. Okay, maybe this is the first time. Okay, let's check it out again. Now you can see how fluid it is so far. Okay, or maybe we can go to here, go to a website, any website. Okay, let's look at Poco F3. Okay, maybe we can go to all. Okay, you can see how liquid smooth it is once you have the 100 hertz screen refresh rate. Okay, guys, so please like and subscribe to my channel, okay, so that you can see my other videos. My next video is about the Teams, which is in this Poco F3. If you can see, yep. So I'm going to show you the Teams and how it's set up and how easy it is, and it's free, guys. So please subscribe to see the next video. Okay, cheers.